Hey guys, Brian here. I got a quick video for you guys on how to replace your door locks on your older trucks. It's a quick video. I just got the paint job done on this thing. Check that video out. It's awesome. Only cost me 150 bucks. So I decided that I should probably get functioning door locks for this truck. So I got some new locks. Cost me 20 bucks for the locks. Now I'm going to show you guys how to put them in. Hope you enjoy the video. Stay tuned and share this on your social media side of preference. Let's get started here. First, you got to have your new door lock, right? Second, basically, first thing you do is you take off the window crank. It's just the Phillips on this old Ford truck. Then you take off these 3 screws that go to the armrest. See? And that goes just like that. Those screw into that, right? And then depending on your make and model, you may have screws all the way around the insert, or you may not. And then on this particular model, to get the door handle off, it's just 2 little nuts, lock washer nuts. See, right here. Okay, then once you got everything off, then it's really fast and simple. Okay, let's see if you can see in here. Okay, so that is the old lock right there. There's a clip right here. Use a pair of pliers and pull it off, right? And then the lock just pulls right through. That simple, that easy. Okay guys, I just yanked it right out. Now, put your hand on the inside, push the door lock out. Once you got that clip out. See how easy that was? Piece of cake. Clean that up. Okay. On this particular model, it has this little thing right here, right? Well, on the key assembly they gave me the wrong thing. See what it looks like? A little different. So, lucky me, all I have to do is take this little pin off, switch that onto the new lock tumbler, and put it back in. Easy as 1, 2, 3. So you can take these little pins off this way with a pair of pliers. You just grip it. Now that didn't work out as smooth as I wanted to. The pin went flying, but that's okay because I have the new one from the new one. Okay. Then make sure your lock is right side up. Okay? Pretty simple. Right? Where the tumblers are is the top. Okay? Once you get it situated the way it's supposed to be, you can pinch that new clip on. This is kind of how I do it. It's one of the easiest ways, is to just pinch it on with pliers. Alright. There we go, piece of cake, guys. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Okay, then you got your lock on there and it moves. Check that out. Okay, now you put the little gasket on here. Don't forget that. Don't want any moisture getting in there because then it'll rust, you know. Theoretically it could. And then this little pin slides in between that like that. In between the door and the locking mechanism. So pretty simple, guys. I'm gonna come right back. I'm gonna lube up some of the door assembly parts. That way it has a smoother operation when I put it back together. And I'll show you guys in just a minute. Okay, you guys. Got the new keeper on there, the new lock. You can see how it's on there. Let's see if I can get a better view from here. Okay, come on. Works just like a dream. There we go, guys. And assembly is the same as takedown. So, also, I welded these little boogers on here because a lot of times fat people, yeah, not generally fat people, but just saying anybody puts all that weight on the armrest and it pops these right out of the door, and then you got a loose armrest. It's a pain. Fix it every 2 months. So I just welded those on real quick. Just small little tack welds. See you later.